Well, students, today we will discuss merits of dimension method. First merit is to check a given equation. Using dimension, we can check whether a equation is correct or incorrect. To find dimension of unknown variable. Third is एक जगह इस टेबल को बनाओ to convert one system of unit to other. And fourth is to establish a given relation. Now, I will explain with the help of a numerical. Suppose in the numerical it is given that find dimension of A, B, C, D in given equation. X equal to A plus bt square plus c upon d minus t, and it is given that x is displacement and t is time. How we solve it? You know, we can add or subtract two quantities only if their dimension is same. Only those quantities can be added or subtracted whose dimension is same. Because we cannot add 40 kg with 20 meter. Can we add 40 kg with 20 meter? It will be never added. So two quantities can be added only if their units or their dimensions are same. Here you see in this term, A is added with Vt square and C upon D minus T. Here you see, this is added with this and this is added with this. Means dimension of A is equal to dimension of Vt square is equal to dimension of C by D minus T. And if we add, then what we will get? We will get the dimension of X. So, here you see, dimension, या आप शार्ट में लिख लीजिए डायमेंशन ऑफ x, एक मिनट, डायमेंशन ऑफ x बराबर डायमेंशन ऑफ A इक्वल टू डायमेंशन ऑफ bt स्क्वायर, पूरा दिखाओ, पूरा ये लाइन है, प्लस equal to dimension of C upon D minus T. Let it as equation number 1. तो आप अगर हम इन दोनों को लेते हैं तो डायमेंशन ऑफ x इज L, डायमेंशन ऑफ A इज अननोन, डायमेंशन ऑफ B इज अननोन, डायमेंशन ऑफ T इज T square and dimension of C is unknown, D is unknown, but dimension of T टाइम है, टाइम का डायमेंशन। तो आप इन दोनों से देखिए, डायमेंशन ऑफ A क्या आ जाएगा? L। अच्छा, L इक्वल टू B T square, and if we solve it, we get dimension of B equal to L upon T square, and it is simply LT minus 2. Further you see L equal to C upon D minus T. See, we have subtracted T from D. So dimension of D, इसका मीनिंग ये है डायमेंशन ऑफ D बराबर T. सो L बराबर C T minus T, and T minus T is not 0, it is T. तो L